It is Thredup Thursday. Welcome, y'all. I am going to be opening a Thredup Fun Box for you guys today. And this is very exciting. It's a big one. Usually the Thredup Fun Boxes are smaller than this. And this one's a larger box. I think I've only gotten a few fun boxes that were larger like this. And I feel like both of them had backpacks in them or some sort of bag. And that's why it was in the larger box. So we'll see if that holds true with this one. This box came to us from Suwanee, Georgia. And for those of you who watch my channel regularly, I found my box cutter. So I was able to cut the tape without a struggle. And this thing is really old and rickety, but it's from my first job. And I don't know, it holds sentimental value to me. So I keep it around. But it was lost on my desk because it was a mess in here. So anyways, let's get into this one and see what kind of fun things Thredup sent us. For those of you who are not familiar with my channel, my name is Christina, and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark, Ebay, and Referral. Okay, so normally I have a problem with Thredup putting the receipts like right here, and they like fall out of the sides. However, do y'all see my receipt on this one? Who folded that up like that? I don't think I've ever gotten one folded quite like this. This looks like a note that you would have passed in school. That you had to fold up super small so your teacher wouldn't catch you passing the note. Okay, let's see when I ordered this one. This one was recent. September 25th. This was during one of the sales, either the 30% off or the free shipping. I have not purchased a full price box plus shipping on a fun box yet. I think I've only done the fun boxes when there's been free shipping. So I'm going to try to hold to that, and I still have plenty. So it's too expensive if you're paying shipping on these boxes, in my opinion, because you never know. It could be a great box or it could be really sad. So, okay, let's get into it and see what we got. Okay. There are some air pockets in here, filling up the kind of empty areas. So let's see what's going on. Let's see why they sent me such a big box. Okay, there's the air pockets. The first item is a pair of slippers. I don't see tags on these. Usually they're new with tags, but I don't know that these have been worn. They look brand new to me. They're very soft. Okay, let's see. On the footbed, I'll get it real close so you can see, there is an embossed A. I don't know what that means. And there is an interior tag that says small/medium. And I don't see a brand name. It does say that it's faux fur. It does say that these are, that they originated in London, but there is an RN number. So I will look these up, and if I can find the maker, I will put it on the screen for you guys. Just double check the other side. Same thing, but overall, these are in great shape and they're super soft. Okay, next item, we've got something in bubble wrap. I love these bubble pockets. Okay, there's a few things in here. Let me pull these out. Okay, so I'm going to show you, there were 4 items in this one bubble pack. So let's start with the glasses. Usually, or at least lately, I've been getting unbranded sunglasses in here. But these are branded and they are new with tags. They say, let's see if I can get it for you guys. It's hard. Loft. Can I do it? Can I do it? I don't know. How about like this? Can you see? There we go. It says Loft. It It has a price tag of $24.50. 100% UV protection. They have a really pretty kind of ombre, I don't know, maroon or pink color. So that's great. Happy with those. Next was this. So there's some hair clips, but there's a little stretch bracelet on here. The stretchy has a lot of wear, so I won't be listing that. But we have a pack of Wild Fable hair clips, little tiny flower hair clips. So this I will probably do just like as a gift with purchase or something. I probably won't list those. Okay. Oh no, I was wrong. There were 5 items in this bubble pack. Okay. There's a ring. Let us look at the ring. I don't see any sort of branding on it. It is a gold tone ring. It's got this really pretty, like, little, like, hoops around it. That's not the right word. They're not links, though, either. I don't know. It's probably like a 7. Maybe a 6.5. And then down one side, it's got this little bar. So it's cool. It's in good condition. And then we have a pair of Madewell bracelets. They are gold tone, and there are 1, 2, 3. This is awesome. This is something I would expect in the mixed jewelry box. They did have an MSRP of $34. And it does say that they were made with recycled metals. I think that's so cool. How awesome. Well, that was a fun little pouch. And usually when they bundle items in a pouch, they count the pouch as 1. So that's great. Okay, next. Looks like we've got a swimsuit. Ooh, look at that. Very pretty. Very bright colored flowers. Usually these are new with tags. They are. And, oh good, look at this. This is J. Crew. I don't think I've ever gotten a J. Crew swimsuit before. And this is in a size 10. Super happy with that. How awesome. And look at the back. It's got a low cut back. So very happy about that. So far, I'm impressed with this box. Okay, next is a watch. I don't see any sort of branding on this at all. And the face is kind of a mess. So that I probably won't list. Yeah, I don't see any sort of branding or anything, even in the information on the back of the watch. It just, the like face of the watch is pretty messed up. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's very foggy and there's something on it. I can try to clean it and see if maybe that comes off. Okay, next, let me give you guys another little peek since I took some things off the top. Here, let's go for this. Let's go for this wooden number. Look at that. That goes great with the swimsuit, right? Going to the beach. All right. And I think I've seen some of my YouTube friends get a little bag like this in their fun boxes before. So anyways, there's no branding or anything on it, but it's in great condition and definitely something that will be perfect to list for the summer. Okay. Next, we have a box. It's got a zip around. Let's see. That. Yellow with pretty flowers, which to me reminds me of the swimsuit. So maybe whoever packaged this did a little bit of color coordinating for me. And the inside, it is a jewelry box. It looks really clean. I don't think it's 100% new. I mean, maybe. It's not dirty at all. can hang some necklaces, get a spot for rings, and then a big spot down here. That's great. Let's see if we see any branding on this. Aha. Right here, it says Bando. So that's awesome. And it also says it on the zipper pull. See if I can show that to you. Right there. It says Bando. Okay, awesome. Lots more air pockets in the bottom. It looks like this is the last item. So did they send me a big box for that wooden bag? Maybe. Okay, so we've got, looks like a yellow, white, and black patterned wrap or scarf. Let's see if I can find any sort of tag maker. There's a hole in it, so that's not great. There is a tag. It says 100% acrylic. It doesn't have a brand name, but it does have an RN number, so I can look it up and find out who made it. But it is doubtful that I will list this one anyway because it does have a hole in it. So that is unfortunate. I will probably donate this one. So let's count the items I got because I feel like a lot because of that pouch. Okay, so we got the scarf. That's one. We got the jewelry box for 2. The swimsuit for 3. The bag for 4. The slippers for 5. The watch for 6. Okay, so they did count the items individually. Usually they'll bundle them. But 7, 8, 9, and then this I think was 10. I think this bracelet was a mistake because it was stuck on here. Anyway, but overall I'm super happy with this. I think the J. Crew swimsuit is great. I'm going to look up the maker of those slippers and see what I can find out. The Loft sunglasses and the Madewell bracelets. Let me know what you guys think. I am super close to 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys enjoy the channel and you're not subscribed, please do. I would love it. And make sure to leave me a comment and a thumbs up on your way out. Bye, y'all.